good loudness experiment a minute ago. Oh. I turned the key off. Better not turn it up that loud. I'm right next to the mom's doctor's office, and there's apartments over there too. Let's do it one time, see how loud it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's loud. Let's turn the bass up. Turn the bass all the way up. I'm not gonna do that again. My bad. I'm not gonna do that again. That was loud. I'm gonna take some good pictures in front of this tree sometime. Oh, it's raining. Ah! I'm getting wet. I don't care. I'm bored. Here. Put my hood up, even though it ain't gonna do much good. It is raining. It is raining, raining, raining. Cold. I gotta turn the heat on for a minute now. I got all cold. I was fine till I got out in the rain and got wet. I'm cold, man. I'm okay. Cold. But anyways, I want to take some good pictures in front of the tree. Look at my nails. They're all grody. I need to repaint them. And I've been sitting here peeling the nail polish off. That's what that sound was. I'm sitting here going like this, peeling it off. I like those apartments. I bet you those apartments are pretty though. Mom was talking about them. Well, see, we want to get an apartment, but we'd like to have our own apartment. But the thing is, Mom doesn't have a vehicle. The vehicle I'm in right now is my grandmother's vehicle. We kind of, you know, use it. We use this vehicle whenever we need to. My grandmother lets us, you know. So like, she works for a couple hours in the day, and then after that, me and my mom can use it whenever we want to. And if we get an apartment that's not right there in the apartment buildings that she's in, then we won't have a vehicle to get anywhere. And Mom is a bigger woman, and like I hate to sit here and talk about her, because I'm afraid she's going to see these videos and get mad. But she's a bigger lady, you know. She has knee trouble, so she uses a walker and she's got a wheelchair for like malls or big trips, you know, like that. Somewhere she'd have to walk a whole lot. And we wouldn't be able to take a bus every time we needed or wanted to go somewhere, you know, because of that. Well, we could, it'd just be